Okay, so what I'm about to show you was shocking to me. I did not know that this was something that Ripple XRP had going for it. And this is a big deal. I actually considered Ripple to be competitors with the company I'm about to tell you about. And this to me is a big deal. I missed this. One of those things. Did you know about this? Drop in the comments below. Got some really cool stuff to show you. Really cool thing to share with you that'll show you how you could, have a lot more insight into your trading and maybe help you make buy and sell decisions a little bit easier and better. Going to show you that here as well. So a lot to cover. Stay till the end. Hit that subscribe button and please, please, please hit that like button. Like button's free down there. Hit that. Please, please, please. Okay, here's what I want to show you. Okay, so did you know that Ripple actually, sorry about that. It's a call coming in. Did you know that Ripple had partnered with MoneyGram? I thought and really considered them to be competitors, and they really are in a certain aspect, right? They're both in the business of moving money across borders. But here's what was interesting to this. And I'm going to show you some details about this partnership. So you want to hear this. This is a big. So MoneyGram is, now that I'm thinking about it, MoneyGram is a consumer facing institution company, right? I mean, so if I'm in a part of the world, like let's say I want to move money back to a different part. MoneyGram is usually how people think about doing that. They're a consumer, they're one of the biggest consumer facing companies out there that are in the business of moving money. Okay. And they charge a lot for that. And obviously Ripple comes along and their technology is faster, cheaper, all that stuff. And that is true. But did you know that XRP and MoneyGram were actually partners and have been partners? And so let me give you the details of it. And that partnership kind of cooled because of the SEC lawsuit against Ripple. But look at this. So MoneyGram integrated Ripple's technology into its cross-border settlement system in 2018. I honestly did not know this. If you want to slam me in the comments, you can, but I didn't know this. I considered them to be competitors. After this, Ripple followed with a $50 million investment contract the following year, investing into MoneyGram. Filings with the SEC, MoneyGram gained $11.3 million from its collaboration with Ripple. According to MoneyGram press release, these funds were received over two quarters in 2019 fiscal year, Q3 and Q4. And then because of the regulatory uncertainty, both companies basically terminated their contract in March of 2021. So obviously these numbers, MoneyGram made money off of this partnership, right? And I'm sure Ripple obviously benefited as well. Why not, right? I mean, partnerships go both ways. But because of the SEC lawsuit, now it's back on. This is a big deal. It's a big, big deal. MoneyGram is the 8 million pound gorilla from the, hundreds of millions of people every single week that have to move money. A lot of them use MoneyGram to move that money, to send money back to their families and all that kind of stuff across the world, the globe. Okay, so stay with me, guys. Still a lot to cover. Obviously, on the 1 day, XRP is down 3%. Market is not looking that great. Still kind of this. I am so tired of this market. Aren't you tired of this market? Drop in the comments below. Are you tired of the market? I am. Hit that like button. Let's spread the word about Ripple, XRP a little bit more. You guys know I'm a massive fan. I'm part of the XRP army. Love XRP. Own it. Gonna be here forever. All that stuff. So, hey, let me show you real quick. This is obviously the XRP chart over on TradingView. If you don't use TradingView, you should. It's really a great, great tool. And if you didn't know this, I have built a trading indicator that runs inside of TradingView. And this momentum down and up indicators is my software. Let me show you an example of one. After this momentum up right here, see this was a signal from my software X1. Look at this. I want to show you that signal to there, basically right there. Look at that blue. That's a 68% return. Now, this is when the SEC lawsuit settlement came down. So before that settlement was announced, it flashed a momentum up signal, and then that settlement hit, and XRP went up 68%. How would you have liked to have had X1 Algo running and had an alert set where you got a notification on your phone, hey, you might want to think about buying XRP because a momentum up indicator just signaled You can do that. That's my software does that. Okay, sends alerts to your any mobile phone, Android, um, Apple. You can use it on your desktop. You can use it anywhere in the world. You can use my software anywhere in the world. It works on stocks as well. This is Netflix. This is the Netflix stock. You can see like momentum down here. It triggered, and that's a 5% move down. So if you owned Netflix, you could have like, I want to sell it, right? Or for those people who short it, I want to short it or sell it, and that's 5% reduction of risk. So obviously it works on any and all cryptos. So this is it running on SHIB right here. Let me show you Bitcoin. This is it on Bitcoin. Momentum up right here. Look at that. Oh, I got that move. Sorry about that. So look, momentum down right here. Look at this momentum down. So it fired a momentum down on the 1 hour chart right there and all the way down to here is a 10%. So again, minimization of risk. If you owned Bitcoin, you could have sold it, things like that. Okay. Links in the description below to a link where you can go learn more. This is the website. You can get monthly, quarterly, yearly, 30-day money back guarantee. Look at this. Bottom line. Try it for 30 days for free. Yes, you buy it. You have to, and I would just get the monthly. There's a discount code down there, by the way, as well. Sign up for the monthly. Okay. Try it for 30 days. If you don't like it for any reason, I'll give you your money back, complete refund. So you have zero risk. And I'm going to ask you a really simple question. How would you like, again, to not have blinders on, to maybe have an indicator that helps you? Here's what I'm going to tell you. Even if you don't use my indicator, you should use somebody's. And I built X1 for what to be very, very powerful, yet very simple to use. And that's what it does. So momentum up and down signals have a lot of data flowing into those red and green momentum up, down alerts, notifications. There's a lot of power behind those. Made it very powerful, yet simple to use. Okay. 30-day money back refund guarantee. I made it as cheap as possible. There's even a discount down there to make it even cheaper. Use that discount code. And finally, look, is it worth having a little bit extra help to maybe have a little bit more indicator of when you should buy or sell a particular crypto or stock instead of just flying blind? That's how I think about it. I felt like before I had this indicator built, there was other ones I tried and they were really complex and I didn't like them. And I felt like I was flying blind. And by using this indicator, what I really wanted is I wanted to take the blinders off. I wanted at least some notification of, hey, maybe you might want to think about, because this momentum down signal just alerted, selling Bitcoin or your Netflix or your Amazon or your Shiba or whatever it is, to minimize that downside risk. And then the other side's true as well. An indicator that says momentum up, i.e. a buy signal. Hey, maybe you might think about looking at, because the data is saying that things are about to start going up. You might want to look at maybe buying Bitcoin or Ethereum or Polygon or Cardano or Shiba Inu or Doge, whatever. You can use it on any and all of them. Give it a shot. Links in the description below. And here's why. Austin, you're really selling this hard. Yeah, you know why I am? Yes, I make money. Going to tell you straight out. I do. But guys, this is so stupidly cheap. And you should put aside for a second that if you buy it, I make, $30, $40, whatever. Put that aside for a minute and go, hey, why not just try it? And if you don't like it, then you can get a refund back. But beyond that, you know why I'm so adamant about it? Because it will help you. Because if you're not using an indicator of somebody's, then you are flying blind as to maybe when you should sell or when you should buy any and all crypto, period, or even stocks. That's it. So how would you like a little bit extra help? Remember when it flashed on XRP, it flashed to that. Let me show you this just to remind you. It flashed a couple of hours before, 68% gain. Now that's extreme, obviously, okay? But look at all these other ones, like right here, momentum up, momentum down, momentum up. And you can see even right down here, look, momentum down right here. So you can see about, 12 or 13 hours ago, it threw a momentum down. And guess what happened? It went down. And it went down 20%. That momentum down right there, if you would have owned XRP, you could have sold it. If you were in profit, you could have sold it and saved yourself, what? Right there. Basically 20%. You said a different way, you wouldn't have lost 20%. And that's it. and it works. You're seeing it work on screen right here. So yes, I'm very aggressive in selling it because you know why? It can help. And that's it. Sorry, that's it. I get up kind of on my soapbox on this stuff because I want to help you guys. And again, I'm not making any bones about it. Yeah, I mean, I make money off this. I do. But don't begrudge me that if the software works. And if it works for you to help make you money, we all win. Think about that. If you owned $1,000 of XRP and you owned it and you were in profit and you had that momentum down signal alert, you could have sold it, kept your profit instead of losing 20%, all that. Links in the description below. There's a discount coupon down there, by the way, and that's the discount coupon. I'm taking it off probably in a couple of days. I'm going to let it go back to regular price. Monthly, quarterly, annual option, 30-day money back guarantee. All right, I'm off my soapbox. I'll see you.